What is up, y'all? We are up here in the mountains of Montana. And yes, we are 100% in Montana. I ain't never been here before. Well, I believe I said that in my last video, but it's over $1 over here. But yeah, it's like nice. It's relaxing. It's wonderful. It's raining. It's been wet all night, and this morning it started raining. I would have driven more, but man, I was kind of done after a long day. So right now we have double sealed apple juice. But yeah, I'm heading that way. Vlog up in the mountains. Everything's nice, everything's relaxing. Got me a few good pictures of my truck last night because that sign lights up in like a real bright yellow, like I had my parking lights on. So like I'm probably just going to use that as the thumbnail for this video. But yeah, we're getting ready to roll. I've already, it's funny how y'all can like actually look out my window only when my seat is all the way down. Unreal, just unreal, 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 unreal. But yeah, it's about ready to get on the road, and this should be fun. This should be real fun. So I already did my pre-trip and everything, and I hate these bottles. Now see, I hate bottles like this because they don't stay in the cup holder. They literally do not stay in the cup holder to save your life. So yeah, we're gonna be doing a nice little run in the rain here. Everything should be good. Hopefully.
Turn right on Big Creek Road, then take the first left.
But yeah, this little casino right here, this is on right off 90. I don't know what exit this is, but fire danger low today.
Turn left on I-90 East.
Turn that off and get going to the east. I'm up here in the mountains. I ain't gonna lie, I'm probably not gonna be getting signal half the day, so at least, or I mean, it's probably not gonna be fun. I hate this thing. I love it, but I hate it. But yeah, this should be a nice, wonderful run through the mountains for the next couple hours until it gets dark, because it gets dark. It does get really dark here really quick, because yesterday I was over in Washington. It got dark, it was at about 4:30. Would have been 5:30 here, so yeah, it's not fun. But yeah, so I probably should have started earlier in my day if I wanted to get a nice view of the scenery. It's still nice. I get to view some of this. I mean, like, I got the creek right there. I kind of, yeah. Like, there's some areas you kind of want to stop and go take pictures, but also at the same time it's raining. So I'm gonna have to also, once again, I'm trying to make it like everybody know. So, like, if you plan on coming to Bynum, like I said, I have. That's what a huckleberry milkshake is. I wonder what it was. Anyway, if you plan on coming to Bynum, remember, like, y'all, like, I need your name so I can give it to Lauren or the other recruiting lady. I apologize. I don't know her name. I don't interact with her much. They're both very nice. But yeah, I got an email, PonyPowerMedia@gmail.com. So, I mean, you can get a hold of me, give me your name, give me your, like, if you want to know anything about the company and stuff like that, like, yeah, sure. My Cash App is the same if y'all ever want to, like, send money or anything, like, I don't know. Because, like I said, like, most of my money, like, I get goes back to, like, helping either me or my dad, or, like, getting stuff for the truck. So, I mean, like, it just, like, I'm not going off the wall with it and going on a luxury vacation to, like, Timbuktu with the money. There's been a few of you who sent me money, but I ain't gotten much. Like I appreciate it 100%, but, like, there's not been too much. So yeah, I just kind of keep that for meals, extra stuff. Maybe a healthy dinner once in a while, you know what I mean? Like it's I'm still young. I'm still, like, basically starting out. So, like, I still need a house. I still need a car and all that. So. And then on top of that, I plan on moving out of Florida at some point. So. Rain is picking up. 43 degrees. We're probably gonna have to worry about ice tonight, knowing how cold it's getting. We'll see how it is by the time we get to Dakota. Ocean trucks, don't be fooled. I don't like that sign. I don't like that sign at all. I don't like that sign.